You heard it here first.
Hey guys, I'm Charlee Atkins and I've arrived. I travel for retreats all the time and I have my packing down to a art. First of all, in this bag we have a lot of sunglasses. Hydration station. Wet ones. You never know what's gonna get dirty. This right here is my electronic bag. It's a great way to collect all the cords, and best of all, we got the Mophie. This is the Trtl pillow, which is the new way to travel. So it gives you instructions on where to put it. And basically, you just kind of loop it around, make it as tight as you want. And now check this out. If I was on the plane and I wanted just to take a quick, doze.
You heard it here first.
The crossball, the stretch on the plane. So the key to packing is bags and bags. We have the bag to carry everything, the bag to carry the toiletries. We have the spandex bag, the other spandex bag, because we are making statements everywhere we go. These are my favorite gold sheep leggings. When you're traveling and you want to get a little workout on the go, I always carry an exercise band. We got a lot of exercises you can do with that guy, and mosquito repellent patches. Nobody wants a bug bite. Shoesies, bags on bags. The best part of packing bags on bags is that the shoesies never get the rest of the clothes dirty. Being organized whilst traveling is very important because you never know whenever you're going to have to run out the door to catch your next flight.